watching Exquisite MAD. What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to be doing a review on Turtle Wax, Mr. Cartoon spray wax, and we're going to see how good it works. We're going to try it. It says that you could use it either wet or dry, but we're going to be using it in direct sunlight. So we're going to see how good it does, which you can see out here right on the water, sailboats and everything else, and this is going to be the test subject. So getting straight into it, let's read the directions. All right, directions. Step saving use. Wash car and wrench. Shake well. While exterior is still wet, apply 2 to 3 sprays per panel. Dry and shine at the same time with a clean microfiber towel. We're not going to do that. So we're going to do wash, rinse, and dry exterior. Apply 1 to 2 sprays per panel and immediately wipe with a clean, dry, and folded microfiber towel. Flip your towel over and buff to a brilliant shine. Okay? It says recommended for all exterior surfaces, including chrome, plastic, and trim. It says that you could use it to maintain shine and protection. Okay, so caution, eye irritant, and also if it's on skin, flush it and seek medical attention. So don't want to spray this in your eyes. You definitely don't want to eat it, and you want to minimize exposure to your skin. So let me go ahead and open this thing up. All right, that's open. I'm going to go ahead and set this right up here. Now, I'm going to grab a microfiber towel, brand spanking new, out the pack from Sam's Club. You can get about, I think, let's see, there is 36 towels in the pack. These go for about 15 bucks on samsclub.com or in the store. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray. Now it says spray it. That's what I'm doing. Smells really, really good. Taking this microfiber, have it folded. I'm gonna wipe it. Whatever dust was on the truck, it's definitely taking it off. Now, something that I noticed immediately. This stuff smells really good, and the shine that it's leaving is great. So, I mean, the product performs. I don't see any smears. What I'm about to do, I'm going to use 1 pump on this trim. Let's go ahead and try that. See if it smears. It does not. This product seems to be working pretty darn good. All right, so next step, let's go ahead and try this on the chrome bumper. Let's come around over here. Let's just see. We're just gonna do. Looks like it does pretty good. I do have a bug on there, so it doesn't smear. So this product works pretty good, looks good. It does add some shine, add some depth. Using it right out here in direct sunlight, product I would say is a good product. So ease of use, I would say that's 10 out of 10. And I would definitely say pick this up if you just want to maintain a wax that's already on your vehicle. Imagine it could be used on any type of wax over the top of it, and works pretty good. So get it out of AutoZone, get it out of O'Reilly's, Walmart.com, SamsClub.com, I imagine carries it, Amazon, of course. So this has been a review of Mr. Cartoon Turtle Wax Quick Wax.